Hello dear friends, how are you? I have come again with a new video on the parenting series. You may know about the parenting series. You know that it is a series about the recent inventions and findings about parenting on the basis of science and sociology, with synchronizing the psychological impact of different aspects. I am discussing on this series consequently the treatments, that what should you do with your baby for the betterment of their physical and mental health. I am trying to discuss with some giving some examples and practical experiences. So today I will discuss about a new thing that is very much important for your baby, that is introduce your baby on the new world. New world may have different terms, different definitions, but I am using this term as the world existing with us, because it is a new world for the baby. They have come from the womb to the planet, to this planet that is we call world. So this world is something different to them than the womb. Mother womb was the actual and first world for the babies, and when they come in this atmosphere, they feel some changes. Like on mother's womb, they feel some pressure of the stomach, and other they feel a very warm situation without no more sound, no more noise, and there is no barrier about their breathing, about their feeding. But when they have come in this world, they are feeling that there are a lot of sound, lot of air, lot of noise, and they feel hunger, and they discharge water and by peeping, and a lot of things that they didn't experience at the home. So it is a totally new world, a new atmosphere for them. So how will we should do introduce our babies at this new world? That is the question. At first, I will suggest a most important thing, that you have to talk with your baby, because you may think that either they can identify your words or observe your words, either they can understand your words or not. Actually, it doesn't matter. They don't know anything when they come on this world, and they are on the processing of learning. And the very early age, if they find that their father, their mother are talking with them, then they will notice how they talk, what words are they using, and how they behave, and it they will capture by their eyes on their brain, and these photo shoots will be memorized on their brain. That will help them to build their mental health and to build their imagination power, and by this they will become a growing, and it will help to speak them, to learn them, to identify the words, to identify the listening power. So if you talk with your baby, they may not understand everything, but it will help them a lot. The second important thing is, if they cry a lot, don't be panicked, because when they peeping or they discharge other things, garbage, then they will cry. It is natural. If they don't cry after peeping, that it is problem. And when they feel hungry, they will cry. If they don't cry, it is problem. So crying of the infant is not a problem. The lack of crying or don't crying is a problem. But if they cry a lot, then it may be think that they are feeling some kinds of difficulties or pain, or cannot adjust with the environment, because they don't speak. When they feel any dissimilarities, any problem, they like to cry. So if you feel that they are crying much, then you should notice that what is creating problem or discomfort to them. And if you observe that they are only crying when they are feeling hunger or they are peeping, then it doesn't matter. It is okay, and you will be happy that your boy is responding or your girl is responding with the activities. And another important thing is, when you will speak with them, you will sign, you will speak, you will say something. You have to notice that either they are responding or not. How will they respond? When you talk anything, they will watch on you. or they will move their eyeballs, and they will sometimes cry when they hear a lot of sound, or sometimes even make the response like moving their head or hand, try to capture, try to grasp anything. When they will do these things, you will feel that they are on the right track. If you feel that you are trying to speak, you are making some sounds but they are not noticing, then you should be concerned that something is wrong. Okay. The another important thing is, many families, the parents try to take care of the baby by taking them on the lap most of the times. Don't do this. If you take them on the lap or the cradle, they will be adjusted with that, because they are on the process of learning. So what will you do? They will learn it and they will be adjusted with it. If you take them on lap or put them on the cradle, they will be adjusted with it, and then they will not feel comfort on the normal bed, plain bed. They will like some movement. When movement will be stopped, they will cry. So don't do this. Try to adjust them with the plain bed. Okay. But if when they cry more, or when they are don't feeding, then you can take lap and some walking. It will help them, but don't adjust them with it. The another and the last one I will speak today is, try to introduce your baby with many other persons. Like, there are many persons on your family, your brother, that is his uncle, or your mother, that is his grandmother, his cousins and other things. You have to introduce them. She or he, the infant, will not understand what are you saying. But when you continuously saying that this is your grandmother, that is your cousin, it is your uncle, that was your aunt, then they will capture the words and it will enrich their vocabulary stock. And also the faces he will capture, click by their eyes and store on the memories. It will help the social behavior and growing up of the baby. And if you do this, I think it will be helpful for them, and also be helpful for you to take them, to welcome them on your family and adjust them. So today I will finish my video. I will come again with another video about parenting. Until that, I hope you will be happy and healthy very much. Thank you.